Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black banned account on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve ban account on Pinterest, we click on settings. Then this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest like this. You will click. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account, and in the end you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.